Sweet you, that's what I do. It's what I do. Help unforfor folk like yourself. Poor SouS with no one else to turn to. I admit that in the past I've been an past. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a bitch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended nowadays. Repented, seen the light and made a bitch. Oh, Unforfor SouS in pain, in pain. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them?
No.
Oh, Unforfor SouS, so sad, so
Gay.
They come flocking to my cauldron, they come flocking to my cauldron, and I help them.
No! Well,
It happened once or twice. Someone couldn't pay the price, and I'm afraid I had to send them to hell. But on the whole, I've been a bitch to those poor Unforfor SouS. You'll have your looks. You're pretty, but and don't underestimate the importance of SouS body language.
Hey, clear the way in the old bazaar. Hey, you, let us through. It's a bright new star. Oh, come, come, come. Come.
Not all that impressed with conversation. They think a girl who goes mad is a whore. But they dote and swoon and fawn on a lady's butt with raw. Come on, you poor SouS, go ahead.
Make my day.
I'm a very busy woman, and I haven't got a woman, and I haven't got a voice, and I haven't got a body, and I haven't got a soul. You poor Unforfor SouS, it's sad. But
If you want to cross a bridge, my sweet, you've got to pay the toll. Take a gulp and take a breath, and you're any kind of girl.
Flotsam, jetsam, now I've got her, boys. The boss is